We're live, guys. We're live. Checking the sound. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, we show you guys how to not freak out, how to not go into a deep depression, how to not capitulate, and how to not scream like a banshee right now. But we are going to show you how to make simple, effective, easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. Guys, we got nuked this weekend. We got completely nuked. 100% smashed. Now, bear with me. Today's live stream, we have some allergies. So randomly, if you start seeing tears rolling down my eyes, it's not because all of my trades got liquidated. It's not because my portfolio is down thousands. It's because I have allergies. So if you see me doing this, blow my nose, and doing a lot of this, it's because I'm trying to not have a massive nose freak out here. So, but guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome. Happy Monday. I know it's not too happy for a lot of people. There are people that were in the green, super happy last week and a half ago, basically feeling the complete opposite that I was. I was feeling how people are feeling now, and now I'm happy as a clam. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm just numb, or I've completely have gone, have lost my mind. But yeah, today I woke up happy. I looked at the market. Bitcoin went down 90 to 91,000, and I was like, sweet. I was like, this is great. I don't know why I woke up and looked at everything and didn't have any emotion at all. I said, okay, sweet. It's a good deal. Oh, man. We're going to get through it. Holy crap, guys. Got the itchiest nose in the world currently right now. Maybe the market is... I'm allergic to this market. Yeah, and I also love being numb to this as well. It's great. It's a great feeling. It just means that you have finally been through enough cycles. You've been through enough capitulation events. You've been through just about everything, guys, at this point. And then this is nothing new. This is just par for the course here for the bull run shakeouts. The bull run shakeouts are real. But here's the thing. This is normal, but there's also this background narrative that is encouraging it and making it to where it fits the news narrative. I bet if we went back into where we had capitulation events before the mega run in previous halving year cycles, I bet there was a bunch of FUD. It was always like Tether FUD, Binance FUD. It was a combination of all these things. And then you had the Silk Road, also was Bitcoin was a topic of discussion if they're going to sell it or not. Mount Gox was always comes up in the discussion. So now this seems like one of those events where it's like a black swan event to where everyone thinks like, okay, this is it. That was the top 109. That's it. We're going into a bear market. Good luck, but yeah, we have to look at the previous data and what happened in bull run years, halving years in January, February, and March. It flew after January. There was a capitulation event. There was a 25, 30% correction to the downside somewhere in those Januaries. We can look, and we've seen it. We actually, in a couple live streams, have explained this. We went through each candle. We went through every January and end of January, February, March period in the halving years, which is 2012, 2016, 2020, and now 2024. It's doing the same shit. So guys, it's okay. Like, this is totally fine. It just means if your portfolio is heavy down, it just means you were overexposed into altcoins. That's all. And you just didn't have as much BTC. So maybe you had a lot of ETH. ETH went down 17%. So if you're heavy alts, heavy memes right now, that's why you're down so much. If you're more heavy BTC and only like 20%, 30%, alts and memes, then you're not down as bad. Because even though We went down to 91,000. We're back to 96. We went down all the way to 91,002. Back to 96,000. We got a market open. Market just opened 9 minutes ago. We have possibly more of a stock market crash, but could that have been the low enough to swoop in for lower prices for the next leg up? Because like I said, after January, going into February and March, what happened even just last year, we flew. And then if you go and study the previous halving years on Bitcoin, we did the same thing. So you go to the, you can go to the monthly here, go to the monthly, and you can see. Right there. We got to go in a little bit more though, like kind of little, we'll go to the weekly and you can see it a little bit better. Let's look at this. And good morning, guys. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing well. I know you got liquidated. Don't act like you didn't. Everyone got liquidated. Carl, the moon, from the moon, Carl, every single trade he had, he said it was liquidated. Every single one. All of them. I mean, he said every single one. So I would imagine that everyone's trades got smashed unless you were in a short. If you were in a short, you're sailing off to your own private island right now. If you were in any shorts, you are laughing all the way to the bank right now. Well, everyone is waking up in complete, utter shock and disbelief. You're laughing like Andy Dufresne in the damn limousine at the end of the movie of Shawshank Redemption, where he's like, he's just driving by the ocean. Bears had their weekend. I will say, guys, the Bears had their weekend. But look, do not fear. Do not fear. The previous data is here. So previous data shows us that we have a capitulation event that happens in January. Let's go actually to the Bitstamp chart because that's what we want to, that's where we can actually get the data and show you that even COVID was the thing, was the anomaly, was the big black swan. So that data is a little skewed, but even then it still went up after the COVID dump. All right, so here is January. Go here. You can see January it ran up going into 2016, just like we just did. We ran up. And then in January, you can see it had a manipulation candle down, had another recovery candle trying to go back up, and then another sell-off eventually at the very end of January in 2016. And then you go into the the following year, February, or in February right here. Look at this. Now, go to 2017. Wow. Same damn thing. January capitulation. And then, boom. Now go to 2020. Even 2019, you can see, look, January down, after January up. 2020, January and February was massive crash. We had all of the things spreading around the world, that there was a pandemic happening. There were going to be lockdowns. There was what's going on? There's people dying, all this stuff, and then boom, crash. After that, lockdowns happened in March. Look what happened even after the lockdowns in March. On the halving year. Now you go to January in the halving year, 2024, and you get the same data. You get it's the same thing. Are you not seeing this? It's the same information. It's doing the same damn thing. January consolidation, pump. We're in the following year after the halving. January consolidation, pump. Okay? Stop freaking out. Stop selling so early. Stop making it so damn hard for everyone else. Look at the data. Sorry to be loud, but holy crap. Like, everyone's freaking out, and you need to zoom out. Stop freaking out and zoom out. Because if you sell right now, you are going to lose so hard. You are going to cope very hard. You're going to cry. You're going to try and buy back when everything is pumping again. And it's going to be treacherous for you. So don't start giving up now just because we had another shakeout. Like, did I just show you all the different same scenario that happened in the previous halving years? Exactly as it did from the previous halving years. It's doing the same thing. The narratives only change slightly, but the momentum and the price and the fundamentals and the tokenomics of why this happens stays the same. That doesn't change. That's what makes Bitcoin so fascinating, is that it is the narratives are going to either be very similar and fluctuate to push this or influence it, but no matter what, the shit does the same damn thing. And so I'm not going to get fooled this time. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to know that the alts will get smashed during some of these times, but it's the time where you accumulate. You have to flip the script and think, don't buy when everyone's talking about how bullish it is. That's when you sell. And then when everything is dead and they're thinking it's toast, this is when you buy. This is when you buy. That's how you're going to outperform everyone and yourself and your doubting self, your small mind self, and your big mind zoom out self will thank you later for not being such a short-term capitulator. But yeah, guys, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad today. Like, because like you're gonna feel probably like how I was feeling last week or a week and a half ago, however long it was ago. Last week, previous weekend, the whole Trump thing, and just like trades getting smashed. I mean, I was feeling the exact same way. I was so mad, angry. I was gonna quit. I was like, this is BS. It's funny because I was feeling that when everyone was feeling bullish, and then now everyone hates life, and I came in happy as a clam because I feel like I processed all of that already, and I'm like, you know what? I was in that and I don't want to be in there. I don't want to be there. So I'm gonna continue to work on my stuff. My wife really helped me. She said, look, just don't, she's like, don't focus on really the trades right now. She's like, focus on the stuff that you're working on. Like, just do that. And then and the trades will, probably will eventually play out. And she's like, just work on your stuff, get that stuff done. And I'm like, hell yeah, let's do it. So this is where we have to put our minds at. We have to think look, this is part of the ride. Like, if you got on this roller coaster and thought it wasn't gonna do a flip, corkscrew, tailspin, whatever, then you got on the wrong ride. You got you can't get on the Hulk and not think you're going to get like spoof, go through the mist, go down, corkscrew. You're on the Hulk. So be prepared. I know a lot of the timeline though. If you're looking at the timeline, if you're looking at, you know, the state of the timeline right now, I think some people are jokingly bearish. Like sometimes a lot of the bearishness is satire. I really do believe that. It like a lot of the people that, because it's just when things are bearish, I mean, it's like you're either truly angry and bearish and you're like, this sucks, I'm quitting, or it's like full satire, like I'm not actually quitting, I'm just being dramatic. And like it's just, you have to read it for what it is. Take everything with a grain of salt, because if you were to truly look at everything like this and act on it and be like, wow, everyone's quitting, should I quit? And then you end up selling all your stuff too early, but those same people are not actually quitting, they're probably buying more. So just, you have to not let the noise, which is what Raul Paul talks about a lot, is the noise. You know, it's just like there's a lot of noise out there, especially on crypto, Twitter, CT, YouTube. It'll pull you in all kinds of different directions and make you feel like you really do actually want to quit. Sell your crypto, be like, damn it, that was it. That was a good run. You know, pack it up. But yeah, we think that's not the case. All right, so alts smashed. Controversy with WIF. WIF never actually really solidified any contract or communication between the Las Vegas Sphere and the funds that they collected to apparently do this thing. They said they're still going to try and do it, but I don't know. We'll see. But that news broke. That was bearish. Then right after that, we just have massive market crashing for the news on the tariffs. So let's get into actually what this means. Thanks to Anthony Pompliano, the Pomp, he had his Pomp letter. So we get the Pomp letter newsletter sent to our email, and it's real great because it kind of ties in a lot of the geopolitical data, also the market data just across the United States and for Bitcoin and what it means on a global scale. So the tariffs is causing market turbulence for reasons of the tariffs implemented on Canada, Mexico, and also China. China had a 10% tariff. Mexico and Canada, 25% tariffs on any products that are being imported into the United States. Now, Canada and Mexico countered with a counter tariff on products that would be exported out of the United States and into and imported into those countries. I don't know. It's going to be very short term, I think, this battle of tariffs. But really, what it is, if you go into historically, because I was looking into the data, I guess historically, we've actually used tariffs for more than 70 years. Prior to 1950 and up until 1950 is when we stopped using tariffs. So we've actually used tariffs to basically curve any type of manipulation of, say, border trade, certain deals, because it's like, hey, if you do this or you let this slide and you are bringing in or you're supplying this major product and you're getting, and we buy like a big portion of your stuff, then we're gonna tariff the crap out of you. And it's going to make it hard for you to make money. So it's all money driven. And if you can play the game, and Trump we just know historically has been a good deal maker. That's what he's an expert at. He can make the deal. So if he's able to make this deal and he puts pressure on these countries to pay us, because if you think about it, we have been paying other countries we have, this American citizen, not the government. We, as the American citizen, have to pay for other countries. Now, why does that not piss you off as an American? You telling me that we have all these issues in America. We got damn zombie cities. We got people starving. We got cities burning down, flooding, completely getting destroyed, infrastructure effed, water systems going out. And you're telling me we still are paying for other countries' BS? And FEMA doesn't have enough money to give us? And we're sending billions of dollars to war efforts for Ukraine and all this, Israel, wherever all across the world? This is all democratic run. This is all a system of a primarily ran Democratic Senate, Congress, and administration. And so, since Obama, the 8 years of destruction that Obama did with all of his back-end deals, obliterating anything that could strengthen the United States, that's the aftermath. It's a trickle down. So once it started with Obama, it has been happening. So we're unraveling everything that the Democratic Party in the deep state has been doing for the past 16 years. So what we're seeing now is the unraveling of these institutions and the deep state institutions that have been stealing our money for freaking years. You wonder why things are the way they are. This is why it's happening. And what they're doing is they're trying to crash the damn markets in response. And so the tariffs really, on the true end of it, is trying to get our money back, because these countries need to pay up. These countries need to start paying up, damn it, because I'm tired of getting manipulated. If it's one person, it's everyone. It's not just like, oh, it's just a group of people in the United States that the money goes. No, it's everyone that pays taxes is paying for all of the BS around the world, and we're done with it. We voted for it. We voted for Trump. Trump's implementing America First presidency here, and he's rolling it out. So get ready. If you're truly an American, you'd be supporting this, because you're going to say, I'm done supporting other countries' BS. You fix the farm first. Fix the farm. Fix the home first. This whole democratic, liberal, we need to be worldly. No, we don't. We do not need to be worldly. We don't need to be worldly, cultural. I don't give a crap. If we're suffering and we're dying over here, I don't give a shit about culture. Where's the money? Fix the problems. Who cares about your social issues at a point where there's zombies walking the streets? There's bigger fish to fry than your social issues. Sorry, but it's ridiculous. This is what people get so caught up in, and there's babies that can't even get formula. People had about lost their minds and got so psyoped to worry about that. And Trump man bad, orange man bad. All the while, the dude about lost his life 5 times already to implement this stuff right here, what the deep state does not want to happen. You think these deep state people make money on Americans making money and progress here? No, they don't. Then it levels the playing field for them, and then they have to freaking work. What these people do is they do back-end deals with other countries, because then they can funnel the money, and then they have a foundation, and then they funnel it through a foundation, and then they all go into a room, or they go to the conference thing and they speak, and then it's all BS. It's all BS. It's all bullshit. It's all a scam. If you guys remember, look at history. America was like top in manufacturing, factories, products, services. And what did we do? We got sold out. We got sold out. America was the top dog, and guess what? People came in, those families came in and completely sold us out. We got sold out hard. You infiltrate it from within, and we got sold out massively. It's molded, guys. Like it's molded. We're led to believe it's our fault. Like it's our fault. No, the system's played. It's manipulated. We had something going for us, and guess what? It was taken away. We had the industry, and it was taken away. We got sold a bad bag. Our parents, our people before us, our grandparents, they got lied to. They got sold a cheap bag of goods, and they fell for it. It's not their fault. It's just it is what it is. They're really good at psyop manipulation. Especially when it comes to markets and Bitcoin and all of that stuff. You know it to be true. You know it to be true. You feel it in your soul. You feel it in your bones. You can feel it like inside your jellies, your smelly jellies, that something's off. Something's not right. Something doesn't feel right. Something is slightly off. All right, so Carnus Champion said, I got totally wrecked on my play bag, so now I only hodl. There's about $200 left in my play money from over $9,000. Yeah, oh, dude, trust me, I'm right there. Like, I had just got, like, I had just went into the market myself just right before the massive dump, and I was like, oh yeah, it probably won't dump too bad. I was like, I probably won't dump too bad, and I got smashed. I was like, I could have gotten out early, like I could have just cut the losses and just tried to do something, but it just crashed and burned. Everything crashed and burned. It was just complete utter destruction, just complete sheer chaos and destruction. Yeah. Completely wiped. I got completely wiped. I had a Brett trade open. I was in altcoin trades. So, I mean, if you were in any altcoin trades, you got destroyed. You got destroyed because Bitcoin, it was crazy. I thought Bitcoin only stopped at around, but last night, it actually went to as low as it went as low as 91,006. Jesus. Excuse me for saying the Lord's name in vain, but mighty. Oh, that's wicked. 91.5, guys. 91.5. Woo. I just don't know what to do right now, though, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what to do with the trades here, because this could be a mega dead cat bounce to bring us to the, oh my gosh, and I just totally forgot. I just remembered that there is a massive gap. There's a massive CME gap that never was filled. It was never filled. It was never filled on here. This one. They could be trying to fill that gap, but guys, do you see that there's another gap that was just formed right here because it crashed so fast? That means they're probably going to have to fill the gap up at 98,000 and also between these prices here, which means the average gap price would be at 100K. They could actually be pushing it right now to 100K to fill the gap, and then they could push it right back down from 100K and get completely smash the long traders and bring it to 80K. That also could be, I mean, this is no man's land. This is like, it could go to 100K. It could go to 80K. This is like, put your bets in and hold your pants and put on the depends. Put your catheter in. Put your Pikachu spinny cap on. I don't know what you got to do, but you need to put, like, this is insane. I don't know what to do. This is crazy. Because if you were to look at this might, you could say, okay, they could give us 100K. They could give it to us. That gap, look at that. Yeah, of course the CME gap formed. Jeez, because it fell through the freaking floor. Uh-oh. What are you guys thinking? All right, Scottish Crypto said, if I think BTC near bottom, what safe alts would you buy right now? I'm wanting to add Ondo at some point, but thinking XRP and Link. Oh, yeah, I mean, let's see. So on the list of things that kind of dipped the hardest, like if you were Caspa had a pretty decent dump. If you're bullish on Caspa, Caspa was running up like crazy. Sending wedge here, sending triangle. Held kind of strong off the descending triangle too. It didn't dump super hard. So it was just kind of going sideways, but then it dumped really hard right here. So yeah, Caspa, Litecoin is now under $100. It's now sitting at 96. Like that's a good hold. Cardano now is at 71 cents. That's actually really solid. If you like Gala Games went down pretty. Pepe got smashed, is now in a great accumulation range from where it pumped the last time. So a lot of these things are right back down to accumulation ranges, accumulation zones. See, look, Dot was right on it's right in this support zone for what broke out of the regression trend here, because we had a regression trend happening right here, broke down, zoop, boom, and then you can see how that's played out. So then, I mean, Dot, you can see Floki's just so interesting. Like it's like Floki's strong. I don't know what's going on, but Floki's strong. Something's going on. I don't know. The community, they're just like solid non-sellers. I mean, like, look at this. I mean, look, this, look at that. Pumping up like this and then just going in this range, like not just holding pretty steady. No major, like crazy pumping dumpy candles. It was just like straight up into a range, and now it's just holding in this range. Not too bad. XRP dumped really hard. That was the one that went down the most because of how much it had gone up here recently. So now, if you were thinking you missed the boat on XRP, you're right back a little bit, at least now at the breakout point of the bull flag that happened here, which caused it to go to as high as $3.30. So XRP could be pretty decent accumulation now, since it went under the $3. I always like Rose. I like Rose coin. I think Rose is a good altcoin. That's like when we do have the altcoin season, Rose usually is like, it does pretty well. I don't know, I just see it always do well. AVAX is right now sitting in that sweet zone. It's in a sweet zone. $25 for AVAX is so cheap. That's like massively cheap crazy cheap for AVAX. Chainlink is now under $20. It's sitting at $19. That's massively cheap. Like, that's really, really cheap. We were just at $31. So there you go. That's a solid buy. HBAR has been pretty bullish. I mean, look at how much momentum we got with HBAR. We just got pulled right back down into the bull flag breakout point right here, 23 cents. So HBAR looks pretty good. And XYO, yeah, XYO. So when we had that pump, I didn't take any profits. Like, I know my bags looked really, my little bag of XYO looked pretty good, but I didn't want to take any profits. I just, because I like my average buy-in. It's a nice buy-in. Like, we got up here. I didn't take any profits because I think we're gonna go past 4 cents easily. Like, once we start ripping, we're gonna go 4 cents, 8 cents, then 15 cents. Like, this is I truly believe this. Like, I'm not naive. I just see the potential. This is one of the coins that now I really do. Like, I've always liked this coin. I believed in it, and they have been very consistent through even the bear markets of building stuff, building up the products and what they do. So I'm super bullish on XYO because it's one of the first altcoins that I ever found. It was the first thing that I ever mined using a crypto app. It was the first thing that I figured out how to send a transaction from my Trust wallet to get the XYO off of the app and then into my Trust wallet. So it's like all those things for me, it's kind of more like, it's like it has a sentimental thing. It taught me how to do crypto a little bit, how to learn about networks. And so yeah, for me, that's why I like it. But you could purely like it just from a price standpoint perspective, like just you maybe like the chart, or you like the tech. It could be all kinds of different things. But for me, this is the one that I think, like, man, I should just go with my instinct. And my intuition is that, like, if this was what I found, firstly, more than anything, all the memes, all the stuff, all these other projects claiming to do stuff, this is the one where I'm like, I need to just be all in on this. Like, not all in, but like, this should be one of my top holdings, because then I've done the research. I've made the content. It's actually XYO. When I post a video on XYO, it's one of my better performing videos. Like, if I were to go into my stats here and I go to analytics and go to content, and thank you guys so much too, by the way, like the past 7 days, you guys have been just crushing it, killing it. Like, past 7 days, I've gotten 37 new subscribers. Watch time hours are good, but like this past month though was really, really awesome. You guys really came in hot. 147 subscribers in the past 28 days. Watch time hours really good, almost 1,000, almost 12,000 views. But if you look here, I go to content, and just the lifetime of my channel here. Let's go to the content, and then if I go to views, my highest played stuff is all about XYO. Like, XYO coin will 10x. Crypto.com and the Crow token will make millionaires. And then I talk about the XYO token in there. I talk about XYO here. I mean, this is like I don't know. And this is just with, like, I post these videos like I do any other video, but the views don't lie. Like, the interest doesn't lie. So in the analytics don't lie. So I almost want to I have to maybe just trust this and maybe, like, say, I got to go off this instinct and think, build up a giant bag of XYO, and if everything else went to crap and this one did well, or at least, like, if everything was just kind of went up just a little bit, but this one really did some damage, I would feel so stupid not to have this as my, like, biggest holding for me personally. Because I've done the research. I've done the damn research. I've interacted. I've done the thing. So now it's just like, put your money where your mouth is at this point, for me. And you probably have some coins like that too in your portfolio where you're thinking like, why don't I just like believe in something? Why don't I just start actually believing in something and not getting pulled one way or the other, being like, oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, should I buy this? And it's just like, stop it. Just pick your stuff and stop flopping and groping, pencil necking, gargling, and just believe in something. I mean, Murad's telling us. He's like, believe in something. Apparently, Murad did not sell a single token during this dip. Portfolio's down $10 million. Did not sell a single token from the alleged wallets that hold the list of Murad, which actually includes Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu, some coins that we've talked about, obviously, over the past year. And I don't know. What does that tell you? Do you just have massive conviction in your plays and you just like Crashy's Clay, for instance? You know, he's like, I'm not pivoting. He's like, I think Brett, Ponky, and Bobo, that's pretty much his list. He's like, look, I think Bobo, Pepe, he thinks Monero. It's pretty simple. I mean, like, if you were to go off and just say, hey, I'm just gonna buy the Crashy's Clay picks, you would do Ponky, Brett, Monero, Litecoin, and Pepe. So you could, I mean, it's pretty, like, you don't have to make it too complicated. And then you could say, all right, if you want to trade the Dano list, it's very, ticker Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ponky, Pepe. I would put Litecoin in the list as well. But then I would have XYO. All right, so Zwimpy said maybe Binance this year for XYO. Yes, they talk with Binance constantly. This is why they're just getting the setup perfect, because they got the layer 1. Check it out. They're going to launch the layer 1. And look, I mean, they'll just have XYO listed on Binance US. Like, they'll have Binance US. I mean, look, Binance US is listing Trump Coin, Pingu, and Peanut, and they're not going to list XYO, the coin that they've been talking with and have on their blog posts and all their little, you know, when Binance does like a Binance roundtable rotation, blah, 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 whenever they do those little talks or spaces and things, guess who's on that list always? XYO. And so Headband said, this is like the first major meme crash. How many will survive and push back to all-time high? Probably like 1%. Yeah, so we're going to see a big rotation out of the crap coins, the stuff that's just like no one's going to really, I mean, this is the state of the trenches here. People are just like, at this point, I'm going to make a McDonald's coin and something called pain because everyone's in pain. So everyone's going to go and buy this thing called pain. They'll probably get rugged. And there you go. They're like, I'm in so much pain, so I'm going to buy this coin called pain. No, stop it. Just buy your stuff that you've already had been buying and stop capitulating. You know what's funny, though? When I woke up, I laughed. I was sitting on the toilet. I was literally sitting on the throne, the king's throne this morning, and I looked at everything completely nuked. And guess what was doing well? Guess what was up 20% on the past 24 hours? Fartcoin. I talked to my wife. I said, babe, I don't know what to do anymore. I was like, everything has dumped so hard. And the thing that's doing the best is Fartcoin. I was like, I don't even know what to even do anymore. I was like, I don't even know what to do. I was like, do I get up now and long Fartcoin? Do I long Fartcoin right now? Do I just do this? Do I long Fartcoin right now? Because that's just what, I guess that's what performs well right now in these markets, is something called Fartcoin. Do I long it right now? Toilet flush? Where's the toilet? I gotta go get my toilet. We're about to we're longing fart coin. Let's go, baby. Yes, let's long it. We're gonna long fart coin. 20x long. Let's go. I'm longing fart coin right now. I am not gonna be a laughing stock of the crypto trading market. Absolutely not. I will long this thing right now. I will long this thing right now. Fart coin to the moon. Let's go. Fart coin to the moon. I don't even care. I don't even care anymore. I'm numb. I have no emotions. I don't even care anymore. What should we long now? All right, so we love Pepe. Pepe is our favorite, so we're just gonna long that. And you know what? I don't even care because the market had just took such a plunge. I'm about to 100x long this thing just for fun. I don't even care anymore because I want my money back. I want my money back. Give me my money back, you. I want my money back. Give me my money back, you. Give me my money back, you. Stop loss? There is no stop loss. There is no stop loss, my friends. Not today, not ever, not no how. If we can scalp 100x long on Pepe right now, we might make back all the money we lost. We might make back all, guys. And by the way, if you're wondering what this particular exchange is, we're kind of testing it out right now. This is KCEX. So we're actually doing a promotion with them right now. So we became a partner with KCEX because they were super nice. So got a sweet offer, no KYC. You can just set it up. Takes 2 seconds. You can see that I have an official partner code. They were nice enough to put my profile picture on a nice little setup here. But look, check it out. Traders, net deposit rewards, whales. If you're a whale, you can get a really, really nice deposit. So this is between February 3rd and March 3rd. So you got some time to check it out. But yeah, check out the link in the description. If I put it in the description, but here you can go to the post here, check it out, and have some fun with that. All right, so looks like we were able to actually scalp. Okay, cool. We were actually able to scalp that limit on this Pepe trade here, and looks like we could be printing it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You know, if we just come at the market with comedy, a sense of humor, you know, not too much emotion, and we can see what we can do here. We can see what we can do. But right now, if you want to check out this particular exchange, you can test it out literally right now along with me live as we're streaming. And I mean, why not right now? Because the market actually, I mean, it got completely. Yeah, I'm willing for this to go completely south. This was a tester. These are like tester funds, you know. This is like I'm testing the exchange, so this is test funds. So if I can turn test funds into real funds, then we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. We'll even we might even go into today with a lot better mood. You know, sometimes you don't want the trades to dictate your mood, but if you can manage to do so in a good positive way, then it's okay. All right, so let's see what's happening with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is really actually, like I said, guys, CME gap was huge. The market just went south very fast, so a lot of buying pressure now came in. We're having a possible V-shape recovery if we maybe look on the 4 hour. Yeah, so we could actually get a pretty good V-shape here recovery, which could be cool. That would be nice to be able to get that momentum going on Bitcoin. We're like I said, the gap is at between, where the hell did it go? Oh, and by the way, guys, Bitcoin dominance went up to 65%. It went up to 65%. That's insane. And I think probably ETH dominance just like got completely. Oh, and then the dominance. Where's the USDT dominance? That went up 5% as well. That went up 5% as well. That means everyone went to stables. Stable market went hard. People went right into stables, and then you could see that the markets and the exchanges got all that money, liquidation money, and then they used all their stables and bought the market back up. And this is kind of what's happening right now. Maybe this is why we're getting the push. We're getting the push right now. But yeah, right now we're actually we're in pretty decent profits right now with Fartcoin and Pepe. So we're not going to take it too seriously right now, guys. We're not going to get too crazy here. Cuz I mean, look, we're in like these ridiculous degen trades right now. These are complete ridiculous trades. But as you can see, the market is being very volatile. It's swinging all over the place. Bitcoin carries the market. If Bitcoin is going to start to actually push to 100K right now, these alts will recover really fast, especially the strong ones. And so I don't know what the heck's going on with Fartcoin. Why is Fartcoin outperforming everything? What the heck? Oh my gosh, because Joe Rogan. Oh my God, I forgot to say. Yeah, Joe Rogan mentioned Fartcoin. Someone mentioned Fartcoin, or Joe Rogan had mentioned it, but someone on the podcast was talking about how Fartcoin there's like a coin called Fartcoin, and Joe was laughing about it. I mean, that could be literally what's happening right now. What the hell? Okay. Fartcoin. Look, it's the outperformer of everything. It's been up the hour 20%, 24 hour 20. This is insane. The trading volume is getting close to $1 billion. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Craziness. Oh! I hope we don't round trip this thing. We were just over $100 in profits with the Pepe trade, and now we're right back to, now we're almost just round tripping. Oh no. Should we just hold on for dear life? Where are the depends? Can we get the Should I close it now before it's too late? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin, stop it right now. You stop it, Bitcoin. You stop it right now. You stop that. You quit that nonsense, making everything wick. Don't get people so bullish so fast. No. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You stop it right now, Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, this is insane. See, I like showing the trades. I like showing the trades. You know, there's a lot of streamers that they won't actually show their trades. They just show the setups. I'm going to show you if I get smashed or if I'm going to lose money. I like it. It's fun. It's a hoot. It's like crypto face style, but with like literally dirt money compared to what he's making. But it's okay. We'll get to crypto faces level very soon. We'll put in the $1 million trades here soon. You just gotta believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. And hopefully I'm not being too loud. Man, my wife started a really cool, awesome job, and she's in a meeting right now, and I hope they're not like, who's yelling in the background about crypto? They're like, I can hear screaming in the background. Like, what is going on? This trade is scaring me right now, guys. This trade is really scaring me right now. Oh my gosh. No. Don't you do it. Bitcoin, stop it. Don't do this to me. No. We just want to scout. We just want to just get in along and have it just stay. Don't you do this. Don't you do it. Look at this. This manipulation is disgusting right now, guys. I am telling you, I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. This is the most manipulation I've ever seen in my entire life. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Have you? This is just outrageous. This is the most outrageous crap I've ever seen in my life. I don't know about you, but I don't like it. It's just dirty. It's something smells fishy. Like I'm sitting next to the dock. It's just, I don't like it. Something smells real fishy and off, and these dudes are manipulating the crap out of us right now. They're manipulating the crap out of us. They're really trying us right now. They're really doing it. They're really trying us right now. I tell you what. But you know what? Sign up with my link in the descriptions and just you know what? What else you got to lose? What else you got to lose? Links in the description. Join the anxiety with us. Come on. Join the fun. Look, it's already back up over 98. Look at what they're doing. Look at these wicks that they're doing right now. This is Coinbase. Scammers. You know who's the biggest scammers and probably in the crypto business is probably Coinbase. With their listing requirements and their listing ethics. I'm like, you guys don't even, you should have listed Pulse Chain before you listed any of these garbage meme coins that everyone's probably just got wrecked on. Straight up. Probably could have listed Pulse Chain and made way more money, but no, you just want to list a bunch of garbage memes. Could list Pulse Chain, but you want to list Mooding. Ridiculous. As this shows, like they don't actually do research for their coin listings. They're just like they don't do the research. There's no way they do the research. Come on, Pepe, let's go, Pepe. Let's get it going. Let's pump. Come on, Pepe whales. I know you bought a ton of Pepe. All you Pepe whales, you just scooped up a nice little bag. Let's push it back up, please. Let's get it going. What the trade? I like that chart, but let's do the trading view chart. I like this. I like this setup. I like this exchange. It's not too bad. Yeah, this is KCEX. So this is KCEX. We just partnered up, and I have a new partner sign up. No, I see right here is like, because I know Pepe. The thing is I believe in Pepe. I believe in the narrative of Pepe, and in future trades or past trades have done really well when I've been able to actually catch something. I mean, I might even start to, like, right now with these trades, just scoop. Well, I want to let me do the thing. Let me do the thing that I'm supposed to do as my rule. This is my rule. I want to add a break even stop loss, and I am going to right now take profits on both of these trades. But I'm just going to close half the trade, so I don't care. I know it's probably going to, possibly will run really well, but I'm just going to hedge off. I'm going to hedge off a little bit. I'll just do last price, quantity, 50%, and I'm just going to, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that. So then so I know that I took profits, I set my stop loss, and we can just let the rest of this kind of ride on the momentum, and that's okay. Like, I'm totally cool with that. I'm okay with that. Like, I don't want to get too greedy, because why get greedy right now? Like, I mean, that would be no point to get super greedy right now, because if I just waited and was patient and said, okay, look, break even, if it breaks even, that's fine. I'll get back in. And I'm surely Pepe will rise back up to its all-time high. And if that's the case, I can add a take profit at that point, and that's a pretty good return. I mean, if I just have some patience and conviction, then I could hold this one out for a lot longer. Probably going to be some resistance points, but look, you can see where we're actually sitting at this support where it got pumped hard the last time. So maybe probably put a take profit of partial position again here. We can do partial position of a take profit triggered right here at let's see. I don't want to take the whole thing. Is it partial? I don't know. Got into some decent entries though. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. All right, come on, guys. Is the market? Are you upset? There's not a lot. Okay. We got some X people. Recently, we were doing really good on X. We had 75 people on X on one of the streams. So I don't know where all those people came from. But we always have our one Twitch streamer, a Twitch viewer. The algorithm sometimes does not like me, and for whatever reason, I don't know what it is. Maybe I just have to do better, bro. Maybe just make better content. Why don't you just do better? Stop blaming the algorithm for your problems. Why don't you just do better? Why don't you just give more alpha? Why don't you just give more alpha and thesis? Give us more memes, please, so we can get wrecked. That's what always people are like, give us the alpha. I'm like, you want me to give you some like new meme to go by? Sorry, no. I got contacted by this Pepe derivative, and they were like, yeah, we're looking for people to make content. And I was like, well, I said, for one, you're wrong. You're already wrong by making a Pepe derivative and saying it's a Pepe killer. Pepe people don't like that. If you're going to make a Pepe derivative, you better be friendly with the Pepe that's top dog right now, or you're just gonna be another stupid rug Pepe derivative that no one gives a crap about, and you're wanting to kill the other Pepe. It's stupid. So I had told him that right off the bat. I was like, you're not gonna win. You're just trying to siphon money from the other stuff. It's like, sorry. I'm not gonna make a video on your shitcoin, so then my community gets wrecked and then I have a bad reputation. Sorry, not gonna do it. So, unless you're contacting me with a legitimate thing, don't contact me, because I'm not even gonna I don't even want my mind to even think that I'm gonna do that, because you know what? At the end of the day, that like the money's not, it's not about the money. It's about actually having like a decent track record and not being like, well, Dano promoted freaking poo poo PP coin and he got paid to do it and now it's a rug. It's like, I'm not doing that. Give me something legitimate. Give me something that I could feel good about. Damn it. And by the way, as much as I talk about the ticker, I've never gotten paid a dime. I've never gotten anything for talking about any of these coins that I talk about. That's what's hilarious, is that like they get free promotion. They get free promotion all day from me. they don't have to pay a dime. They don't have to pay this KOL anything to talk about their coin. I just talk about it. Isn't that great? But I guess I don't know if I put enough of a dent in the market for if I talk about a coin that all of a sudden it's a Dano effect. There's 15 people that are now going to go buy Ponky. Oh my gosh, or ticker Bitcoin now. Unless all 15 of you are billionaires and you're going to pump the chart, then it's not really going to move. It's not going to move that needle. We'll move that needle. We'll see. We're having fun today. We're having some fun today. Oh, we're having a freaking blast. I don't know why I'm having so much fun today. Everyone's all mad, thinking things are done. But come on, guys. I just gave you if you watched the beginning of the stream, I gave you the thesis of why even they were going to run it up to 100K, back up to 100K. It's the CME gap. Look, they're filling the gap, baby. They're filling that gap, baby. Yo, you want to fill that gap, baby? Right there, 100K. 100K. Gap filled. It will fill. And then who knows where it's going to go after that? Because then there's another gap that they might want to fill at 80K right here. They might go boom, boom, and then just destroy us. But that would be mega. I mean, that would be like destruction. That would be oh, you thought it was bad now. It'll get real bad, but I don't know. Michael Saylor didn't buy any Bitcoin today, so that I don't know if that's a death tale waiting to happen. But maybe they're just cooling off. I don't know. I don't know how they couldn't have bought this 91. They had to have bought right here. Michael Saylor probably didn't sleep. He was like, no, I'm buying the dip right here. Why not long and short at the same time? I don't know. I don't want to. You can do a schlong. That's what Jason Casper calls the schlong, where you can go both ways. But right now, obviously, you know, putting in a short, you could make money. Like if you were in short positions at any point through the weekend, you did really well, especially if they were like low leveraged. If you had like low leveraged short trades just to be like, I don't know what's gonna do, then man, you did really, really well. But I don't care if we get these crashes like this because we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. I mean, we're still in an uptrend. We haven't broken down enough off the trend from here, off the CME futures from 54,000 that look, we bounced off the trend line. I mean, look, here's the freaking trend. And actually we can now readjust it because look, we got that right there, which lines up with that candle better, and also this one. And so it bounced straight off the trend. So it's more so likely now that was a bounce level for us to continue up to break the new all-time highs. I mean, I would say so. I mean, now we have volume coming back in. The buy pressure now is going to be more than the selling pressure. I think all of that tariff FUD is gonna be just short term, and it really shouldn't affect Bitcoin's price that much. It really shouldn't affect it that much. It for the most part, it should be fine. But you know what? Damn it, we're gonna make $1,000 today. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make $1,000 on this Monday because I'm not playing any freaking games today. I'm not getting pencil necked like I got last week. I was crying in the shower, guys. I got so chopped that I started crying in the damn shower. You know how sad that, just ridiculous that is. Do you understand how ridiculous that sounds? Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh, guys. Come on, hit the like button. Are you not entertained? I guess you're not entertained. I guess I'm not entertaining you enough for you to take your freaking thumb and hit the like button. Come on, guys. Like, I'm sorry, but are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Are you not fucking entertained? It's back at 100K and you guys are not entertained. You're not entertained. I have live trades open. I just longed Fartcoin and Pepe, and you're not entertained. You're not hitting the like button. I don't know what else to do. Should I stream a banana? I should probably put up a live stream and literally just point the camera at a banana, and I bet I'd probably get more viewers than what I'm doing right now. Explaining a thesis, going into trades, showing you stuff. I probably would get more views on that. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna live stream a banana. There's not even gonna be any background music. It'll just be a banana. Live stream banana. And I bet I'd get like 1,000 people viewing that. And I realized that probably there's so many people that don't even own Bitcoin. They're just gambling on meme coins. That's also what is happening right now, is that people they don't even want to buy Bitcoin. They just want to gamble on the memes, which I get it, but yeah, it doesn't matter where you're watching from. You can hit the like button. If you're on the TV, you can hit up, right, right, select. That's the left right combo. Bah, bah, bah. The karate combat combo. Scissor kick to the like button. You can give a scissor kick to the like button's chin. All right, well, we feel good though. We took 6, 7, 8, 9. We took $100 in profit off the table. We took $100 off. We're in the most degen leveraged like insanity here with Pepe. You know, sometimes you could solve all your problems by 100x longing Pepe and watch it fly. You could solve all your problems from 100x Pepe. Bitcoin is going to 100K. It's on its way because the gap had needed to be filled with the CME futures chart. But you're just farts. The chart is a fart because everyone is trading on the fart coin. Fart coin. The chart's a giant fart because everybody's going into fart corn. Fart corn. Yeah, 0.886 retrace on alts. Yes, basically if you were to look at like some of the strong alts here, it was just like a bunk. It was just a flash in the pan retracement to these levels. So fib trace. Pretty nasty. Should I pull this from the low to the high and see what the 100% I could. Squirrely's asking, could you take a look at Bitcoin? Yeah, I'll take a look at the Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin. Of course. 100%, always. Where's it out? And you know what I love about the ticker Bitcoin? So ticker Bitcoin, Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Teninu, the wrapped Ethereum chart on TradingView has the logo for it. So has the logo for it, which I love. I love that they act, because not a lot of the pairs like that are coming from the Uniswap chart or the Uniswap link. It doesn't have the logo, so I that tells you something. I love it. And this thing is recently has just been listed on Kraken. So people were having there was some controversy over the release of this casino. So if you were familiar, I actually talked to More Light, and he was explaining. He was like, "Yeah, we had a casino. We've had a casino," and he was like, "The casino actually birthed some coins. Like actually, SPX, the creator of SPX, got wrecked so hard in the ticker Bitcoin casino that he eventually started his own coin." Which I thought was hilarious. I was like, "Oh, that's funny." So one of the most bullish memes right now, the SPX 6900, was was created because they got wrecked in the Bitcoin casino. So it's hilarious. So I found that fascinating. So yes, there's a new casino, and so there's some people that are just like they're 100% against gambling, which it's like I get it. It can ruin people. It can, you can get massively addicted to gambling. It can be a very, very slippery slope. Some people can just step in and then, kind of have some fun and get out. Some people are like, it like ticks something in their brain and then they destroy their entire life. So, yeah, so that's why there was some controversy about it. But either way, it's just something fun that they're developing, and just, it's out there for take it for what you will. But either way, the coin itself and the project and what they're trying to do, there's going to be a layer 2. It's going to be on Berachain. The gas fee is going to be ticker Bitcoin. The gas fee is going to be ticker Bitcoin. That's going to be cool. So, but if you look at this chart, so this is why I like this chart. The chart, if you're looking at it on the daily, it's just been where have you seen a massive dump where the chart on a meme coin that's been around for a year doesn't look like it doesn't look like this. Okay, so like not all charts look the same. If you were to look at some of the other coins that came around about the same time but then it hasn't done this, they look like this. They go like this, and then they're like this, and then it's like that, like just dead. That's what most meme coin charts look like. That's what they look like. That's what most meme coin charts look like. This trash. But ticker Bitcoin, even through all of the things that they've gone through, little sell-offs, NFT capitulation, all the stuff, starting on a different chain, coming back on a different chain. Like, look, the data's there. So I like a chart that's like this because it reminds me of, what was another one that kind of, and here you go. So, but this is different. This is a little newer. This one's tough. The Ponky chart's a tough one to look at because it's like, you would think that one would be doing a lot better, but right now it's not. It's kind of not doing very well. But here's the chart that I like, because look at where it came from and look at how it's basically sustained. So that's why I like the ticker Bitcoin chart. It's not because I hold it. It's not because I have a bag myself. It's because the chart actually looks good. And if anything has a chance to get to a $1 billion market cap out of all of this and all of the shit memes that are out there that people are trying to get you to buy, and this one's been around for over a year, the lore is old as time. It's the lore of this thing links back to Bitcoin in 2009. So what other meme do you want to even attribute to having the most memeage, or even type of that even looks like a true meme? This is it. So for me, it's just like, I like the chart. It's a bullish chart. It's one of the memes I think people are probably going to end up rotating into out of all the garbage. So like, it's like eventually you buy all the garbage, get wrecked, and then you end up buying the thing that you should have bought that seemed more of like an instinctual play, which Pepe should have been an instinctual play for us all, but we all didn't make it. Like, I posted a picture of where I have proof of where I capitulated on Pepe and could have just like gone full in. I said mistakes were made, and I have proof here. I went on my on-chain data and I was like, no, Daniel, why did you do that? I said, why did you do that, sir? Like, what was I thinking? But you can see here, I have proof. April 2023 where I was like, let me buy some Pepe. April 2023. So let's go to April 2023. Can I go to I want to go to a specific date. April 2023. Where's April? Is this on Binance? Oh no, I did it like on chain. So I got to go to the I got to go to the other chart. I got to go to the actual ETH chart on the Pepe chart. I bought it like in here somewhere. Oh my gosh. It was like almost at the bottom still. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. That was where I bought Pepe, right there. Right here. And it wasn't even that long ago. What did I say in the post? I said proof that I've been an idiot since 2023. I think that was the post. Yeah, proof. This is proof I've been an idiot since 2023, and then also have other proof that I've been an idiot since 2021. Here is my Gemini records of when I bought and sent my first Uniswap transaction. I was like, I need to figure, I don't know. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. Back then, I thought I needed to buy Uniswap to make a swap. I didn't even know you had to like have ETH to do the swap. That was how new I was so noobed. I thought Chainlink was the coin you use to link coins together and to be able to do the swap. I was like, I had no idea what. I learned about Chainlink and I was like, oh, is that what you do to link the cryptos swaps together? Too much. We were having too much fun back in 2021. We were watching Ivan on Tech's coffee, Good Morning Coffee crypto streams. It's like, okay, guys, let's go, let's go. Are they gonna push it? Are they gonna push the price to the gap? I think they will. They're gonna push it. All right. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. V-shaped recovery. Mike, you're always trying to confuse people. You're like, what are you talking about? Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh. This would be a nice bounce. If we actually get a real bounce, a true bounce, and we just get Bitcoin over 100K, then we could get But we're going to have some resistance at 100K. Let's actually go to the whale data, because I bet the whales are coming in hot with sell orders at 100K because they're assholes. I'm about to wage a war against the whale market makers and the exchanges, and I'm going to say, you know what? We're about to all go on chain. We're about to wreck all you exchanges. How about that? Let's get all of our coins off these exchanges, especially the big ones like Coinbase, and put it all on chain. If we held all our stuff on chain, the prices would go up. You know that, right? You know, the prices would go up if we bought on chain and held. And if we sold on chain, the prices would actually sustain better because there's no order books to completely wreck us. I know, but that's the thing. Yeah, if you want to leverage, that's a whole different story. But I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I'm about to close this thing and I'm about to close this thing in full on profit because it's about to, or it might close itself if it hits the stop loss. The stop loss is set at break even currently right now on this particular Pepe trade. I could add to it as well. I mean, I only have like 30 margin in there, so I mean, I could technically add to it, but it gets real tricky, especially on a 100x long. You try and add to a 100x long trade, good luck, because I mean, it could destroy you. Like if I tried to add it right now, and they could wick right down to here, and then it'll completely swipe it from me. But yeah, I know I gripe a lot about the exchange manipulation, but it's just because it's a fact. I mean, it's a fact that these exchanges do this stuff. I mean, if you look at Marty Party's, you know, his research here that he does on how exchanges basically flush the markets out. They flush them so hard. Coinbase running it back up, potential short squeeze. Woo! Holy crap. Oh, man. I might put a limit. I might put a limit literally right here. I might do it. I'm gonna put a limit right there, right exactly where it hits the stop loss. Let's see. Okay, and then we'll do like 74. Come on. Push it to the 100K. Come on. See, large sell right here. You can see it. You can see it happening. Look, large sell from these stupid whales. Like, look. Binance Perpetual. Spot sells all up here, pushing it down. Ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, totally got me. Oh, you bitches. You sly son of a freaking guns. All right, hold up. I'm going to get my damn limit order put in. I'm going to get it. Better freaking believe it. All right. Oh. Did it not do it? Oh, you sucker. All right, hold on. We're gonna get this damn thing. We hope it doesn't get completely smashed. Gosh. What is going on? Like, I'm so scared to like lose money that I'm putting stop losses in immediately if I'm in profit. That's what it's like. This market is ridiculous right now. This is KCEX. So if you want, link in the description, KCEX, check it out. We're gonna keep trying to go long here because I look like it's but we're gonna really try it. We're gonna see if we can maybe catch a little bit of this volatility because we're literally trading on the 5-minute right now on massive swings in the markets. Look at this. Craziness. Look, because of Bitcoin. Look at what Bitcoin's doing right now. Look at what Bitcoin's doing right now. Ridiculous. Thing is it can really at any moment here turn and start going really bullish if Bitcoin starts to fly into that range. It's gonna wick out. It's gonna really shake some people out right now. And we're going to try and ride some of that volatility here. This is like ridiculous. This is like insane. Like the volatility right now is just out of this world. Oh shit. Let's go. No, I'm like chasing the order now. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh man, this is gonna just like be a deciding factor here, guys. It's because it's all up to Bitcoin now. We get Bitcoin pushing over this, we're gonna break 100K. We'll get more bullish price action here. Hopefully the sells on these large sell orders coming up won't give us the trouble. We push it. Oh my gosh, this is insane, guys, right now. This is insane. Insanity. Insanity. No, come on. Market manipulation. Look at this garbage. Okay. Lordy. Come on, alts. Let's go. Push it. We need to push this thing. Let's go, guys. Stop being so bearish. We need the timeline to straighten up. We need them to straighten up right now. Timeline, you better straighten up. Straighten up. Get to work. We're in a battle right now, guys. We're in a battle with the whales. We're in the battle with the bears. Battle of the bears. We're in the battle of the bears right now. We are in the battle of the bears. They're going to push it to 100K, guys. I'm telling you, like, if they push it to 100K, they got whale orders that need to be filled right here. You can see it playing out literally right now. Here you go. Whale orders. Whale orders here. Look at what they're going to do. It's happening. They might spike it to 100K real fast. Yeah. Who's ordering bear spray right now? Get it. Get the bear spray. Oh. Oh. Get the bear spray stat. I would love a candle like that. We just get a major flip. Look, they're gonna manipulate it all the way up to 100K. Look, sell orders on Coinbase. Look, Coinbase spot 15 BTC ready to sell at 99.98. And then we got one right here for Binance spot, Coinbase sell order right at 100K. Anything else? Yeah, today could be a good day of recovery on some losses. Like I said, guys, a lot of $2 billion got liquidated from the markets in a matter of 24 hours. $2 billion got liquidated from the markets. It was pretty epic. Thanks for tuning in. I know maybe it's maybe people are just like mad. They don't even want to go on YouTube. They don't even want to go on YouTube. They don't even want to go. They don't even want to watch. Shout out to all the people that are watching on X, though. X people coming in hot. We got 17 people. You guys are awesome. Make sure you check out the we had to add that in our thumbnail. Obviously, we're couldn't resist. Pepe Max because BTC. I think this is I very much agree with this, that Pepe is kind of the Doge of this cycle, and it's going to pull what Doge did. It's a very similar chart that you can see here in February. You can see that we have this this interesting play out here with the Pepe chart, the Doge chart, and then you can see here Are we going to have that similar blast with Pepe and also with Doge, making the, the higher low here, lower low Pepe, lower low here, and could that spike us for a lower low, like what we did just here, boom, boom, and then we get a nice recovery back and breaking all-time highs. Yep, that could be the case here. Could be the case here. Sitting at really good support, really nice support. I mean, full support right now. So it's not looking too bad. It's looking pretty decent. I'm losing you guys. YouTube. Have I not entertained you guys today? Am I not entertaining? What's going on? Is it my voice? Is my voice annoying? Do I sound like a, what is it, guys? What is going on? Is there better people streaming right now or something? Okay, we got Frankie Frankie Candles is 1,000% better than me. So I get it that 681 people are watching Frankie Candles. I can get down with that because I like Frankie Candles. Crypto Lifer, 3,000, almost 3,000 people watching. I think he's siphoning a lot of the stuff. I like Crypto Lifer, but his positive posts make me mad. They don't make me feel more inspired or like inspired. They just annoy me. He's like, I wake up in gratitude every day. Every day I wake up in gratitude. And I don't know why, but I'm just like, You take your gratefulness somewhere else, sir. You take your gratefulness somewhere else, all right? You take your damn gratefulness somewhere else, Sam. I'm going to say, damn it, Sam. We met Crypto Lifer, Sam Price at Bitcoin conference. Talked to him briefly, but it just seemed like he didn't have enough time to talk. So we didn't really get a chance to actually connect, but all good. You know, we got a lot of things to offer to you guys. You know, we got value to offer. We have stuff to offer. You know, our numbers might not be like these guys, but you know what? Damn it, we have value as well. You know what? Eight people against 3,000. I'll take you 8 all day. I'll take you 8 viewers all day. You and me. You and us together. You know what? Half those 3,000 of those people, they ain't gonna be around. But you 8 people, I'll go to battle with you. I'll go in the trenches with your asses. So let's go. I'll take you 8 all day. All day. Fartcoin up 40%. Here's your alpha. But go buy Fartcoin. Yeah, no, I'm gonna talk to you guys directly. Let's just say, hey, I just saw your comment. Jordan Shortlift, what's up? Hey, XN. Yeah, I can talk to you guys directly. So you know what? Let's actually keep it small. You know what? Let's keep it this way. Partners of the channel are like, dude, can you please just stop it right now? Cut it. We're having too much fun on this stream. It's funny, like I almost have more fun when there's just a few people watching. But I do have fun when we're pumping the numbers, you know, when we have like a couple, you know, at least like close to 100 people watching. But like I said, guys, you know, the whales are there. I don't see why they look. Oh, the sell order happened on one of the orders. Look, we had a look. Here was a sell, big sell, 11 BTC. You can notice that spot selling on these exchanges moves the price. Look, all these spot selling, and we also have like some perpetual sells. Big perpetual sell was here, big sell here, and here you go. And this is how they're swinging the markets the way that they do. They're swinging it, swinging it, swinging it. But we're going to be like scalping the gi. We're going to be scalping the gi today. We're going to be scalp city, scalp outro, Scapolini today as best we can. You ever look at Bitcoin on the 3-minute? You ever look at Bitcoin on the 1-minute chart? Look at it on the 1-minute chart sometimes, guys. You'll have some fun. You really want to get your cortisol and everything, all the stuff, get everything firing off. Look at the 1-minute chart. But you know what my favorite time frame on the chart is? The 45-minute. I like the 45-minute. I got laughed at for saying the 45-minute chart. Someone laughed and they said the 45-minute chart. I said, yeah, bro, the 45-minute chart. You got a problem with that? With me using the 45-minute chart? You got a problem with me using the 45-minute chart? Guys, oh my gosh, YouTube, 4 people now? Holy dude, holy moly. How long have we been streaming? Maybe we've just been streaming too long and no one cares. Oh yeah, we've been streaming for 2 hours. What is even happening? All right, peak concurrent viewers. We had about 16 people total of concurrent viewers. So either everyone is absolutely destroyed and they're like angry and they don't even want to go on crypto YouTube right now, or they've just fully capitulated on my channel. Either way, I'll still be here, so if you want to come back, feel free. We're not going anywhere. So I tried to quit. I can't. I tried to quit this thing and I can't. I think I might believe in it too much. I think I actually might believe in it too much that I would be a fool to quit. Even though I know there's these things that are happening, there's manipulation, there's all this stuff. You don't get to cash a paycheck in this life without going through some volatility. I don't care what you're working on. Guess what? That check that you're cashing is built upon a giant Ponzi scheme. Are you going to be able to work with it? Let's figure it out. Let's work with it. Let's do this together. We'll remind you guys, all 2 of you that decided to watch, you can check out the links in the description. We're testing out an exchange right now that we're actually really liking. Very similar to BLOFIN, which we're also super bullish on. We're super bullish on BLOFIN, KCEX, and OURBIT. These are the 3 exchanges that we're liking because it's easily accessible for everyone. So it's not some BS where you got to do all this stuff and it's just like, look, we just want to trade, guys. Like, we just want to be able to get into some trades and just like have a basic, easy platform to use. We don't need a bunch of bells, super crazy bells and whistles. Just make it work. You don't have to rebuild the wheel. You know, there's platforms that have already figured it out. Here's what works good. Do that. I don't even care if you have to literally copy and paste it. Copy and paste it. I don't give a shit. Like, just make the exchange work. Can you download an app on your phone and can you sign up? Sure. All right, there you go. It's pretty simple at that point. So if you want to check those out, links in the description. And they got a cool bonus running right now for my community with all that stuff. And check out the post here. I don't know where it went. It got buried somewhere. Check it out. Lots of cool trader bonuses, whale bonuses, all that stuff. All right, we're gonna hedge. We're hedging profits right now. We're gonna hedge some profits. Let's see. Last price, 50% of the trade. Close. Or should we wait? It was just at 150 profit, but we need. But look, I mean, the market could just kill us. We could get killed. Look. All right, done. We're gonna do last price, 50%, close, hedgy. Hedge McFarlane, hedge McFarlane. Did it take it? Ah! What the? Oh, no! It's right there. You better wick to that damn level right now. Don't you do it, Pepe. Okay, all right. Yeah. I'm solidifying my profits. We're gonna do it well here. Up only, up only, up only. Yeah. Could now go up only. You know, it'd be sweet though if we get even back to here. Like we could potentially recover a lot of lost wages here. Pretty much we could almost recover back what we lost, which would be fantastic. I mean, that would be... Wait, that's up just to this range. Getting to 3K. Stop. That's just... Oh my gosh, yeah. We could easily get there if we just have some patience. Easily. I'll take the whole trade at that point. I don't even care. I'll just take the whole trade. I'll close the whole trade and just make the 4K. I'm revenge trading right now. Are you kidding me? That's what I just started doing the beginning of the stream. I said, I'm revenge trading, but not with anger. I'm going to do it with the funny quirkiness that no one seems to enjoy. No one seems to enjoy this right now today on a Monday. I thought I was doing a great job, but I don't know. People want to watch Sam Price instead. People want to watch Sam Price instead, which I get it. They want to watch Sam Price instead. I think my thumbnails are great, though. I mean, the thumbnails are great. I don't see why someone wouldn't want to click that. Boom. That's a good thumbnail. I have the power of God and anime on my side. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's go. XN. Shout out to XN, said I have the power of God and anime on my side. Oh, you know what I'd love to watch today? I want to watch Samurai Champloo. The samurai blade cut through flesh and bone. No, my mind's at peace, the world out of order. Listen, knowing the heat, the night gets colder. Don't roll with the plan. Some days, some nights. Some live, some die in the name of the samurai. Some fight, some bleed. Some love, some down in the words of the battle cry. Wars in the time, war with no lords, a freelancer. Best intro for an anime, and also best soundtrack. Best story, 25 episodes long, and it's a lot of fun. If you haven't seen Samurai Champloo, that one's great. Love that one. All right, let's see what's trending on Morales Money. Shout out to Ivan on Tech and the Morales Money crew. Looking for a sponsorship, Morales Money, and I also need your help, Morales Money. I need you, Morales Money. Ivan, you follow me on X. We follow each other. You see my posts. Let's work together. Buying pressure, Fartcoin, Chainlink. Look, Fartcoin's doing some damage. I don't know, like I think maybe Fartcoin is just what everyone is going to start to buy. All right, I've been crypto since 2016 and I've basically broke even. Not grateful at this sometimes. I think of quitting. Oh man. Well, here's the deal. I mean, yeah, you've been in longer. Like I came in January 2021. Like you saw it. Like those were my first transactions. My very, very first ones were in 2020, the year prior, because I was buying little pieces of Bitcoin on Robinhood. And I think I bought a little at that point in 2020. The only thing of crypto that I had gave myself a little tiny exposure to was Bitcoin, and it was at like $9,600. And I think I bought like $20 of it or something like that. But but still, I mean, so I've had different amounts of crypto at different points. I mean, I've like round tripped stuff. I mean, I've gotten wrecked with the exchanges. Like, you know, I had stuff in Voyager. I think I got like 30% of it back. I mean, I got wrecked on Luna. I mean, I've had all different amounts of crypto. I mean, basically, if I were to still have all my crypto or all the things that I would have gone through, I would have way more. I would have way more money. I'd have way more crypto. But you're just not guaranteed an easy, like, oh, here you go. You put in money and then there you go. And then you just do it. No, that's not like, you're going to go through so many different learning experiences, like mistakes and all the things. You're going to learn a lot. Like, you're going to learn a lot. And if you had come through all this and you're still break even, it's okay. Like, you're fine. Like, there's been a lot of stuff happening from the point of that to now. So it's okay. From the money that I've lost now trading, I'm probably way down. I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to think about it. What's funny is that trading, I've probably the past couple weeks or the past month have lost more trading with trading funds, not like my but just trading because I've traded it and then have had it in my accounts and then have unrealized profits and actual losses in like the tens, possibly like the tens of thousands because of what has happened in the market. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Am I going to give up because of that? I about had the feelings, yes. Had the feelings that I was wanting to give up. Does the allure and the knowing that I have been able to trade an account from $100 to $10,000 two different times I've traded an account from $100 to $10,000. I know it to be possible. Now, have I then subsequently, in trying to retrade it back, almost lose the same amount? Yes. Have other traders that are way better than me, have they done the same thing? 100% they have. Jason Casper told me in a story and in one of his videos that he was like, I lost 20K and I felt like I was going to die. He's like, I was on the ground crying and thinking that I was an absolute loser, and my wife had to literally peel him off the floor. So do we learn from our mistakes and keep pushing forward? Or do we freaking give up at any sign of difficulty? How much of a pansy are you that every time something gets hard, you quit? You'll never make anything. You'll never create anything if you act like that. I'm not acting like that anymore. And I historically don't when I feel like that. I'm like, I'm not giving up. I'm not backing down because something got hard or something didn't work out. If that was the case with Elon Musk, you know how many times the Falcon engine or the things blew up or rockets blew up, like all the stuff did not work out like the first try. And look what they've been able to accomplish in the meantime. If every time Elon took the advice of all the naysayers and all the people that said, you're not going to be able to outpace NASA, you're not going to get support from NASA, they're blah, 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 you're a privatized company, you're not going to do crap. Huh. Now Tesla and SpaceX are the ones that end up having to come in and save the United States when it comes to the negligence of government. A private company ran by someone who didn't give up. If I can even just have a shred of that diligence and that persistence, you, if we even just have a piece of that, of what Elon has in his brain, then we will succeed. We will succeed. We will push through the pain. We'll push through all this crap, and we're going to make it. Damn it, we are going to make it. All right, I'm done yelling at 5 people online. Love you guys. I'll see you later today. I'll be live streaming. Maybe more people will come in. Maybe more people will come out of the closet crying, and they'll come back in and have some fun with us, have a conversation, and stop grifting, and we'll be able to do this thing. All right, let's go. All right, appreciate you. Good game. GG. Have a good rest of the day, and I will see you later. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to a sauna. I'm gonna go do a sauna. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sweat. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Thank you so much for coming in. Links in the description. Make a video about CSwap trading bot. I gotta learn how to use it. I don't even freaking know how to use it yet. Just headband. Show me, or me and you need to get on a call, and you need to show me how to actually properly set up the sniping. Because I was like, I had the wallet already set up. It's set up. And I just need to send some Solana into it, and then I can start to do the thing. So let's do that. So let's get on a call like today, and you show me how to freaking use it, and then I'll make a video on it. And then I actually got, guys, I actually want to get this thing set up. This thing is really cool. I haven't figured out how to actually access the arcade yet, because I think you might have to have the GG token, which is the Game Gear token. This thing is cool. There's a trading bot that's operating inside this thing, and it's also has a emulator arcade of Genesis. It has arcade Genesis. Oh, okay, so you need tokens to access anything. Oh, okay. Dang. Okay. All right. So yeah. All right. So you need 1 million Game Gear tokens. At the prices right now, you would need, it's 1.5 Sol, I think, to be able to buy 1 million tokens. So you have to buy like $150, $200 worth of these tokens, and then once you do that, then you can access the stuff. But apparently, this thing is, I mean, this if that works, I haven't tested it yet because I don't have the tokens in here. But I don't know. But this thing is really cool. I really like. I think I like the setup. It's like it's old XP. It brings you back to the old XP, the dashboard and like the chat and everything. Like this could be a thing. This could be a thing. And look, like you can click on live trades, and then once you meet the token gate, like you can get into live trades. You can see there's a trench report, there's agent picks. I mean, yeah, it looks really cool. So whoever built this, I actually messaged the guy who built it. I'm like, I really like this. I don't know how you built it, but I want to freaking know. Who's your developer? Let me talk to him. What's going on? Because this is cool. Stuff like this, if it really actually successfully gets hundreds of users like actively using it, and it can sustain it through the tech, if it doesn't crash. This could be really cool. So I don't know. I'm keeping an eye on this. This was sent to me by Headband. So yeah, I'm watching this thing. This thing is cool. All right, guys. Thanks so much for coming in. We'll see you later. Peace.